Welcome. My name is a Motorola Moto G71, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and you will find your hotspot toggle. It looks like this. When you pull down, you can actually also see the writing under it. So once you find your hotspot, if you're doing this the first time around, and I assume that when you're watching this video you probably are, you want to hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings. Now this needs to be only done once. The reason why I recommend or advise on doing it is because when you tap right over here for hotspot password, you can see that this is just some randomly generated password. So we can remove this one because it's not very easy to remember, and we can set our own. There we go. Now it does need to have 8 characters at length, well, at minimum. So once it does, you can confirm it. Now besides the hotspot password, you can go to the settings right here and customize them to your liking, but to be honest, I would say password is the most important one. From there, you can enable your hotspot by tapping on the toggle right over here, or by simply tapping on it, your notifications right over here. Now, as you've just seen, hopefully, it did turn off my Wi-Fi. That is because it uses the same antennas to broadcast hotspot as it does to receive Wi-Fi. So when your hotspot is active, you won't have any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. So all the network that you'll be getting on your device and sharing it is going straight from your mobile network. And once you disable your hotspot, as you can see, Wi-Fi will turn back on. So anyway, this is how you would set it up and use your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.